hang on, yeah, there we go. We're working, we're on. And of course we got our 2 bags mixed in the water. Into there, go slow. In you go, you're gonna have to wash the car down again. Okay, very good. Good wobble, good wobble. Keep going, spit ball. Okay, put that aside. That's now full enough with concrete at the moment for this. Okay, Frank, grab the outside post. All right, this is how we put the post in. Get the balance point, get it up on the shoulder. Okay, don't be a lightweight and try this. I want the legs running that way, Frank. That's it. And push it in the hole. Here we go. Beautiful, thank you. You can go get some water and wash down this car. And there we are, that one's in the hole. Just gonna push it over to where I want it. Straighten it up. And I'll line it up with the house in a second. But there we are, in the hole, nice and clean. All of them have been painted up to the bracket. So as long as we're below the bracket, we've got paint sticking out of the ground. So yeah, we can then now once we take the bracket off, we can then repaint that all the way down to the concrete and give a good seal, and then put the rest of the concrete on to bring it up level with the pavers. All right, Frank, you go away and start mixing some more concrete so we can do the last hole, because we've got another job to go to yet today. Got to go fit a bracket on Hilton's job over at Paddington. But now I can position that and get it to stand up nice and straight, and then line it up with that one, line that one up with this one, so they're both following the same line. What I want is that join in the brickwork there. I want them to follow that, just nice and straight with the house. And that's what we're going to get them to do. So you've seen that, so you're now seeing again how we fit stumps. So nice and clean, it's easy. We put the concrete in beforehand. It just makes it easy and clean to have those brackets and the steel and put the concrete around afterwards. You're covering everything with concrete, it just makes it dirty. It's just, it can do it, it's no problem. That's the only way you can do it. It's even easier with a concrete pump if you're doing a lot of posts. You just got to have a few guys with you because the concrete goes off pretty quick. But you can do it. I've done 30 posts in a day with a concrete pump, no problem. It makes it nice and easy. As long as all the posts are standing in the hole, and you can brace them up if you like to make it even easier. Which many builders do, and then just pour them all. All right, I've got to get in there with the sledgehammer and knock that around and just tap it to where we want it. You would have seen this on other videos. We've got a couple other videos there on how to put stumps in the ground. But that's how it's done, nice and easy. Yes, if you're lightweight, don't try picking up the posts. You know, there's 50, 60 kilo there, easy. And if they're bigger, even heavier. Posts we do, Frank and I can both lift 150 kilo, so it does make it look easy as we pick up these posts. Even if they're 100 kilo, it doesn't bother us much. You know, it's just a quick lift, and once they're on the shoulder, they're easy to walk. And then putting it into a hole, well, it's taking the weight off your shoulder, so it's easy. Hardest part's just getting it up there. But I'm rambling on now. Hope that was helpful for you guys. Now I've just got to plumb it up with the level and the sledgehammer, just to tap them around so it vibrates the concrete and push to where I want it. Okay. Alrighty. Talk to you again soon. See ya.